Hello everyone, welcome to Universe is Unique. In English vocabulary, word of the day is facility. Facility. फैसिलिटी को हिंदी में कहते हैं सुविधा. A service, building, piece of equipment, etc. that makes it possible to do something. कोई सेवा, इमारत, मशीन आदि जिसकी सहायता से हम कोई काम कर पाते हैं, जिसे हिंदी में कहते हैं सुविधा, फैसिलिटी. Synonyms of facility are accommodation, amenity and equipment. Antonyms of facility are difficulty, clumsiness and inability. Now, example sentences. First sentence is, he has great facility in learning languages. Second, it is very useful to have an overdraft facility. And third, the child care center is a useful facility for working parents.